Artificial intelligence (AI) and robotics can benefit you in many ways, depending on your interests, skills, and goals. Here are some examples. Learning and education. 1. Personalized learning. AI-powered adaptive learning systems can help you learn more effectively. 2. Intelligent tutoring. AI-based tutors can assist with homework, projects, and exams. 3. Robotics kits. Build and program robots to learn programming, engineering, and problem-solving skills. Career and productivity. 1. Automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more creative and strategic work. 2. Virtual assistants. AI-powered virtual assistants, like chatbots, can help with customer service, scheduling, and more. 3. Data analysis. AI can help analyze data, identify patterns, and make predictions, leading to better decision-making. Healthcare and wellness. 1. Virtual health assistants. AI-powered virtual assistants can help with health monitoring, medication reminders, and wellness advice. 2. Personalized medicine. AI can help tailor medical treatments to individual needs and characteristics. 3. Robot-assisted surgery. Robotics can enhance surgical precision and reduce recovery time. Home and daily life. 1. Smart home automation. AI-powered smart home systems can control lighting, temperature, security, and entertainment. 2. Virtual home assistants. AI-powered virtual assistants, like Alexa or Google Home, can help with daily tasks, reminders, and information. 3. Robot vacuum cleaners. Robotics can help with household chores, like cleaning and laundry. Accessibility and inclusion. 1. Assistive technologies. AI-powered assistive technologies, like speech-to-text systems, can help people with disabilities. 2. Language translation. AI-powered language translation can break language barriers and facilitate communication. 3. Accessibility robots. Robotics can assist people with disabilities, like robotic wheelchairs or exoskeletons. Entertainment and creativity. 1. AI-generated art. AI can generate art, music, and other creative content. 2. Robotics competitions. Participate in robotics competitions to showcase creativity, problem-solving, and engineering skills. 3. AI-powered games. AI can enhance gaming experiences with adaptive difficulty, personalized challenges, and realistic simulations. To benefit from AI and robotics, consider 1. Learning about AI and robotics. Take online courses, attend workshops, or read books to understand the basics. 2. Exploring AI-powered tools and platforms. Try out AI-powered tools, like virtual assistants, language translation apps, or AI-generated art software. 3. Participating in robotics projects or competitions. Join online communities, participate in robotics competitions, or collaborate on robotics projects to gain hands-on experience. 4. Staying updated on AI and robotics news. Follow industry leaders, researchers, and news outlets to stay informed about the latest developments and advancements.